Hi, this is Chris with Orange Coast College's art department, reviewing how to make a do-it-yourself light table at home. Now, normally, when you're at campus and we're in one of our art studios, we've got a light table like this, and it works out great. We even have a really large one like this one in the technology building lobby that you can use. But when you're at home, what are you supposed to do? There's not a lot of great options unless you want to purchase one, which granted with LEDs, they're now getting down to about $25 for a smaller one. But you probably have a window available to you. So like this picture here, if you've got a big sliding glass door, this is a really good situation. But even better is if you can get actual sunlight streaming through the window. That's like putting 10 times the amount of light through it. So this is a great opportunity, but what do you do if you're working at night? Well, I'd say take a look around and see if you've got any portable lights like one of these ones here. Now, the one on the right you can pick up for $7.50 at Home Depot. They're really cheap. So find a light and then look around and see if you've got any glass tables you might be able to use. This is a little end table I found at home, and it's not too hard to use this type of thing. What you do is you just set it up with one of those lights below shining up through the glass. So if you can find something like this is great. But I was even looking around in the yard and saw that one of the patio tables we have has a glass top to it. So I just went ahead and took the glass top off of it, rested it on my knees as you see in this photo, and then shined the light up through it. So that's another way to do it. If you look around and you don't have any glass tables, or maybe you look at all your picture frames and you don't have a big enough one with glass, take a look at your windows that slide in a track. Those can often be lifted out of their track and then just rested across your knees just like this. Shine a light up through it, and you've got a any time of day do-it-yourself light table. All right, now it's your turn. Go take a look around what you've got at home and have some fun setting up a light table.